So it's an election year, and one of the hot button topics here in Berea is the Owsley Fork Dam and the potential expansion. We talked to new general manager for Berea Municipal Utilities, Kevin Howard, who gave us all the information moving forward.
Visit the walk-in clinic at Mercy Primary Care of Irvin on Friday evenings and weekends with no appointment necessary. Walk-in care is open to the community no matter who your doctor is. For those times when it's not serious enough to go to the ER, but you feel too bad to wait until Monday, walk in to Mercy Primary Care of Irvin.
In 2010, the State Natural Resources Conservation Services Office conducted some surveys of reservoirs around the state, and Owsley Fork was actually moved into a high hazard dam, which means since the original construction of the dam, there was some residential development, downstream of the dam. So this forced it into a high hazard classification, and the existing dam structure did not meet all the criteria for safety on a high hazard class dam. So that made us start looking at some designs and some plans on shoring up that structure. And at the same time, the last 30 years we've had several moderate drought situations in Berea, and we've been looking at our water supply shortage problems for a long time, and we decided to sort of piggyback onto this shoring up of the dam to maybe take care of two problems at once. We serve approximately 22,000 people in southern Madison, and actually we stretch into Garrett County and a small portion of Rockcastle County. So it is the main primary water source for this area, definitely in the city of Berea. It's not as much a shortage, it's just with the current reservoir, we cannot store as much water as what we need to meet the 50-year needs of our customers. Well, where we're at right now is the good news is we recently got approved for NRCS granted us it was a nearly $950,000 grant for the design portion of the dam. We're moving forward with that. Right now we've submitted our application to the Army Corps of Engineers. That application's under review. We've had a couple issues that we're working out right now with environmental impact, and we're hoping within the next couple of months of having everything submitted back to the Army Corps for a final decision.
Awesome. And then to kind of top it all off, Kevin, you're new to this position. Is there anything kind of that you're interested in seeing implemented or anything going forward that you're excited about here for Berea?
Well, on the water side of things, we're electric water and wastewater utility. On the water side, this is definitely the number one issue going on right now. To our customers, we would still need to concentrate on conservation issues going forward. The electric side also, we're looking at more energy efficiency, and on the wastewater and water in the system, we're just looking at infrastructure improvements. The last several years we've done several projects to identify some of the deficiencies in our system, and it's time to move forward and correct some of those.
For more stories such as these, be sure to visit Richmond's very own WBONTV.com. I'm Marissa Hempel.